on a Sikkim tour. As you have seen that I am on a Sikkim tour, and now I will go for a Sikkim tour with you. But before going on the tour, please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon also. So let's go on the Sikkim tour. Wonders do come in small packages. If you want to witness this, you must visit the very beautiful place Sikkim. To reach Sikkim, the closest airport is Bagdogra Airport and the nearest railway station is New Jalpaiguri, which is 125 to 130 kilometers far away from the capital city, Gangtok. Gangtok is a very beautiful place to start your journey for your holidays, as the city fulfill all your wishes like enjoying cable cars, riders, river rafting, mountain biking, etc. Just like Gangtok, there are other places like Namchi, Rabangla, Lachung, Peling, Nathula Pass, Yamthang Valley, where you can enjoy the nature's beauty. Sikkim is a beautiful land, have their unique features in the form of festivals, languages, culture and craft forms. Nepali is the primary language of Sikkim, while Lokcha and Sikkimese also spoken in some part of Sikkim. The food of the people of Sikkim comprises noodles, senki soup, thukpa, cottage cheese, etc. Rice is the staple food. Momos, also known as dumplings, very favorite among the Sikkimese as well as tourists. Non-vegetarian people love to eat fish, beef and pork. Majority of the people follow Buddhism, so the people of Sikkim celebrate the festivals associated with the Buddhist. One of the most popular handicraft objects of Sikkim includes choksi table, woolen carpet and canvas wall hangings. Gangtok and Namchi are the very popular places of Sikkim for handloom products and cottage industries. Folk songs and dances are performed by traditional musical instruments, chanting, bright costumes and traditional masks. I hope that all these points will really help you if you are planning to visit Sikkim. Till then, bye-bye.